Adding bank details to your Booking.com host account is pretty easy once you know where to go. Try and do this from a computer because Booking.com phone app is not suited for things like this. And once you're logged into Booking.com Extranet, which is admin.booking.com, you will see a screen like this. All you need to do is click on Finance here and then click on Finance Settings. And on the following page, the first option is where you will see Add Your Bank Details prompt. If you have not added your bank details yet, this is what you will be greeted with. Just click on Edit Bank Details here. At this point, it will send a quick verification code to your email address. Just type in the verification code once you've received it. And on the following screen, you can enter the bank details. It depends the country you are in. For example, I'm in UK, so it is prompting me to enter a sort code and account number. But depending on the country you are in and the bank details necessary for your country, you may see a different prompt. But it is pretty simple. Just enter your bank details here and click on Update Bank Details. It takes them about 5 working days to get your bank account properly added. But once you've added all your details, you will start receiving your payouts at a frequency which you can set here. Let me show you how that can be done. Click on Finance once again and click on Finance Settings. It is the same option you have to go back to. And last time we clicked on adding the bank details, but when you scroll down, you will see this payout timings option. This is new. It is not available in all the countries and not to all the hosts, but if you see this, feel yourself lucky. Okay, just click on this and this is where you will see when your payouts are set up. For example, in my case, it is set to weekly. If you want a monthly or a daily payout, this is where you can alter that. And obviously you will be able to alter these details once you have added your bank details. And that brings me to the end of this quick video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.